tell you that I am so happy that they brought this one back. This is such a cute wig. This is Jamila Plus, formerly known as Jamila High, from Wille in the color Hot Mocha Rooted. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do 360 right off the bat so you can see this one, and then we'll talk about it a little bit more in depth. Yeah, this one is really cute. Sometimes these hyper permed wigs, they don't sit on me very well, but I love the way this one is. It's just so bouncy. Like you want to throw your head around and pretend like you're in front of a fan all the time with something like this, because it just moves in like these cute little lumpy bumps. It's adorable. Anyway, enough tomfoolery, let's talk some specs. This wig fits true to average on me, which means it'll probably fit quite well on most people. It's 3.6 ounces, and I'm just gonna let you look at the measurements on the website, because let me tell you, because this is so curly, almost none of those measurements matter, because they're usually done on the hair before it's curled. So this, let's just say, is right at the shoulder level and only in the back. It's much shorter on the sides than in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now so I can show you the cap construction. So Jamila Plus has a lace front, an open cap, open on the sides and the back, and on the top will breathe very well. Has closed felt ear tabs, has an extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters, and is, you know, fairly stretchy. So quite accommodating, but I wouldn't say it fits big or anything like that. And here's that texture up close. Super fun. Before you go, I want to show you this lace front. See, it's well done. It's well done. And then there's the top of it. You can see that permatease up there, but it's kind of fitting in a wig like this because honestly, the body does a lot of favors for the curls. So there you have it. This has been Jamila Plus, which is adorable. And if you want to see the original review, we've left that up on the site. But yeah, this is in the Hot Mocha Rooted. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs, that's CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate you, and we hope that you'll come back and watch us again sometime. Have a great night. Bye-bye.